Network Entertainment.
Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Ella.
At ito ang Kwentong Callroom, powered by the Pod
Network. Hi, Besh!
Hi, Besh.
Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's.
Kumusta
Grabe yung pagka-pink mo.
Alam mo, every time suot ko to, lagi mo pinapansin.
Ang ganda kasi ng pagka-pink.
Talaga?
Yes.
Should I wear it every day?
Ay, wag naman everyday.
Ay, wag naman.
Laban mo naman.
Kumusta yung Valentine's mo? Are you, ano ba, as a single, na-excite ka sa
Sorry,
Valentine's?
ha?
Ay, hindi!
Ano?
Like, anong feelings mo towards Valentine's, the season, or dating in general?
Hindi naman ako sobrang napopoot. Napopoot sa mga may
Such big
kadate.
words.
Parang okay lang naman. Oo. For me, syempre hindi siya magastos.
Okay.
Hindi ako sasabay sa mga traffic and
Oo.
hassle.
Oo.
Hindi ko kailangan mag-isip ng
Bibigyan.
bibigyan.
Oo.
Pero nung Valentine's, since i-release to after Valentine's
Oo.
na, nanood. Pero ang meta nung concept na, nanood ako ng play. About Us But Not About Us. Nung Feb 14.
An interesting thing to do on Valentine's.
Yes. Oo.
Yeah.
I dated myself.
So, wala kang kasama?
Wala.
Mm.
Ay, hindi natin masasabi. Kasi future, nalito ako sa tense. Pero
As of
wala
now,
naman.
wala ka pang plan kasama?
Yes,
Okay,
wala pa.
okay. So, pero comfortable ka rin kasi na going to events on your own, ganyan.
Oo, nakaka-enjoy kaya yung i-date mo yung sarili mo, manonood ka ng movie mag-isa.
Wala kang nami-meet sa mga ganyan?
Kasi feeling ko yung resting face ko parang dire-diretso lang masungit.
Hoy, hindi naman. I think you're approachable.
Talaga ba?
Oo.
Pero alam mo, sa ibang bansa, pinagtatanungan ako ng mga
Ano?
strangers ng direction. Hindi ko alam kung sobrang
Yes!
friendly ko lang ba or mukha ba akong
Hindi,
local.
yes, local. Ang galing. Oh, so, dun sa mga event na yon, parang sometimes, do you try to look for someone to date? O hindi naman? Or na-try mo na ba yung mga mixer? O mga ganyan.
Oo, na-curious kasi ako dati. So, nag-try na ako ng isang mixer noon. Kasi parang lumalabas sa feed ko. Feeling ko yung algorithm ko, alam na single ako at naghahanap ng
Ganun
mga
ba?
event.
Hindi, bakit? Well, sa bagay, yung ibang lumalabas sa akin ay mga events for common interest, mga
Oo.
journaling, ganyan.
Oo.
Sa'yo ganun, mga...
Oo, for some reason, lumabas siya sa algorithm ko. Tapos parang ang ganda kasi ng mga videos, ganyan. Tapos parang ang high yield din ng mga tao. Parang ang popogi nila.
Okay,
ang
okay.
Gaganda.
Oh.
Ang paki ko doon.
Ay,
Parang ganun, di ba? So, nag-try na ako. And maganda yung experience, I must say.
Would you say na mas okay pa rin ang meeting people face-to-face versus dating apps?
Oo. Alam mo kasi sa dating apps, ewan ko, parang pag hindi na-reflect yung energy, syempre parang wala ka ng gana. Tapos minsan may mga tao kasi na mas energetic in person versus sa dating apps.
Iba talaga yung energy.
Oo,
Ganyan.
sa online. Oo.
So, yan ang pag-usapan natin today.
Yes.
Yan.
And actually, meron tayong in-invite na guest. Kaya meron tayong
Oo,
pangatlong
actually,
upuan.
may seat, may empty seat.
Oo, na siya yung isa sa mga organizers ng pinuntahan kong event.
Oh,
Di ba
introduce mo
na-invite
naman.
ko yung organizer?
Ganda.
Pati yung organizer, Chidika.
At least, diba?
Diba?
Oh,
Oo.
grabe. Good feedback. Yes.
Yes.
So, gusto mo ba siya introduce? Or introduce mo natin yung pod? Oo.
But before that, we are Kwentong Callroom Podcast.
We're best friends and doctors, and our goal is to demystify and humanize medicine. So, you already know us if you've been listening since 2022. We've been talking about conversations around medicine, doctors, about relationships, about the shallow things, the deep things we do. Ano ba?
Hindi, tuloy mo.
Bakit? Why are
Hindi,
you
go.
laughing?
Go.
And we just like to discuss things that we may not always talk about in clinics or in the hospital, and just to highlight na tao din tayo.
Yes.
Yan.
At sa mga new listener, feeling ko interested ka makipag-date.
Totoo. Ang
Feeling ko
hirap
yung mga
makipag-date,
organic
ha?
encounters, gusto mong malaman kung papaano. Di ba?
Lalo na kung medyo busy ang lifestyle, ganyan.
Oo.
Yan. Kasi, alam mo, just for context, we've been trying to have an episode about dating for so long.
Yes.
Pero parang either yung mga kausap natin, hirap din sila how to articulate about dating.
Oo.
Tapos tayo din, parang nung mga pinag-usapan natin, we were in respective relationships. Ganyan. Oo.
So ngayon, in-invite na natin yung nag-organize
Oo,
na
yun
mismo.
na, ito na.
Ewan ko na lang.
Yeah.
kung hindi pa kayo magkaroon ng organic encounter.
Yan.
Pero no guarantees. Baka naman balikan nyo kami.
Oo.
Uy, kwentong call room. 1 year na, wala pa rin organic encounter.
Ano, tawagin mo na si guest?
Sige, tawagin na natin.
Okay.
Pasok ka na.
Enter.
Ayan.
Welcome.
Welcome to the pod.
Pasok. Kain.
Uy, walang pagkain dito.
Asan na yung ulam?
Ayan, lapit ka lang sa mic. Ayan.
Hello.
Taas mo lang yung mic mo, ganyan.
Okay.
Para marinig ang beautiful
Yes.
voice. Ayan.
Hello.
Ala, pakilala mo naman siya sa taong bayan.
Ay, hindi siya magpapakilala sa
Sorry,
sarili niya.
sorry.
Oo.
Okay.
Sige, pakilala ka na sa ating audience.
Hi everybody, I'm Kay Hannah. I organize social mixers called Never Strangers, and do I say a little more about Never Strangers or later na? Sige.
Mamaya na daw.
Mamaya.
Patikim muna.
But you know what? I really love the name of it, Never Strangers. And
Ano nga yung tagline nyo?
Ayon, a stranger is a friend you haven't met yet.
Yes! It's so
Diba?
beautiful.
Ang ganda.
Sure.
And we all start as strangers. Like,
Yeah,
kanina.
yun pa.
Diba, before...
That's one of our taglines as well. We all start as strangers.
Ay, ang ganda. Di ko yung
Organizer
sinasadya.
ka ba?
Oh. Hindi kasi, before we met, strangers lang kami. Ngayon, friends
True.
na kami. Ay! Ikaw, dati you were a stranger to me.
Oo nga, but now.
Ano mo si Kay?
Oo. So si Kay, na-meet ko siya nung
Yes.
nung first time kong so twice ako nag-Never Strangers.
Yes.
So nung first time, yun, parang na-meet ko siya, tapos parang she was very warm and all. So yun, akala ko kasama siya sa
Ay.
organizer pala siya.
Okay.
Yun.
Oh, so before natin pag-usapan, yung
Yes.
pag-uusapan natin, meron kaming surprise segment, Kay. Oh my God. So dahil may games kayo sa Never
In-invite
Strangers.
namin ang mga nakadate mo dati.
Oh my God.
VTR. Ang luma ng VTR.
Uy,
May VTR pa ba na ngayon?
Ginagamit pa yun?
Hindi ko alam. Baka Reels na ngayon.
Oh, yan, meron kaming segment para lang may
Okay.
konting pag-game. We call it rapid rounds.
Okay.
So it's like fast talk.
Oh my God!
Walang
Kaya-
ganito sa Never Strangers.
Wala
Baka
ba?
gusto niyo
Oo,
na.
adapt mo.
Actually.
Pwede.
Ayan, so si JB ang magtatanong. It's 20-something questions. Tas, answer as fast as you can with whatever you think of first. Hindi kailangang mag-explain.
Mamaya na natin i-expound.
Yes, okay. Ready?
Okay.
Go.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off. Ay, ang straightforward.
Paligoy-ligoy pa ba? Mahal mo o mahal ka?
Mahal ako.
Oh.
One non-negotiable na you're looking for from your partner.
Respect.
Tama.
Po. Beach o bundok?
Akala ko bitch.
I love
sorry na.
it.
Beach o bundok?
Bundok. Pwede English.
Sunrise
Party.
or sunset?
Sunrise.
In another life, ako ay blank.
In another life, I'll be the same. I'll stay the same.
Oh.
Or tama. Ano? Sige, ganun
sige.
na lang.
Oh, that's so
Contented.
nice. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Describe your worst date in 3 words. Worst date.
Hygiene.
Ay. Okay na. kahit
3
what.
words.
3
Okay
words.
na.
Sige,
Very
paano pa
unhygienic person.
Oh.
Pwede namang iba-iba. Very hygienic. Ay,
Nalimi na.
describe your best date in 3 words. In 2 words lang.
In 2 words, pogi, mayaman.
Ay, gusto ko yan!
Gusto ko yan!
Kasali ka dito. Instagram or TikTok?
Instagram.
Favorite country for vacation?
For vacation, Korea.
Oh, parang nung nag-Never Strangers ako, kagaling lang Korea.
Tama ba yun?
Oo. Comfort,
Ay, joke.
comfort food.
Comfort with jeokbokkum.
Very Korean,
Korean
nga.
nga.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Organic encounters or dating apps?
Organic encounters.
Organic encounters or friend of a friend?
Oh my gosh, ang ganda nung trope na yun. Pero,
True.
organic encounters. Parang no strings attached.
Okay.
Ay, okay. Ano?
Sorry. Ano ba to? Bakit ka rin tanong? Kunyari mag-date kayo ng friend mo for the first time, like a romantic date, saan mo siya dadalhin?
Sa Pilipinas?
Yes.
Ay, parang, sa Pilipinas? Pilipinas?
Ay,
Ayun na yun. Okay. Hindi, any place, like restaurant, cafe,
Restaurant.
or anything.
Or ideal date venue.
Ideal date. I want a picnic date.
Oh, me too!
Diba? Pero ang hirap mag-isip sa Pilipinas. Picnic date.
As in, dream date ko. Dream date!
Okay. Your pet peeve in a date?
Pet peeve. Dog. Joke. Ay. Kaka-TikTok ko to eh. Pet peeve hygiene, I would say.
Oh, grabe. Oo nga, no.
Yeah, it made an
Oh,
impact,
ito.
no?
Kiss on the first date. Yes or no?
Yes!
Kinilig. Flowers or chocolates?
Flowers.
Sex or chocolates? Love language na gusto mong matanggap.
Acts of service.
Love language na palagi mong binibigay.
Acts of service.
Oh.
Okay. Last, dahil nasa podcast ka namin, will you date a doctor?
Yes! May
Wag na
reto
ba?
ka.
Uy.
Talaga, gusto mo. Oh my God, let's talk after. Thank you.
Thank you,
for
Kay.
indulging us with our questions. Sana nag-enjoy ka.
Thank you so much.
Tapos na pala yung
Thank you so
Yun na lang
much.
pala yun.
Ano ba
And that's
yun?
it? Wow.
Hindi. So, let's get to the topic na.
Oo.
Kasi, alam mo, ang hirap mag-date, not just as a doctor, parang in general, a lot of people don't know how to date or how to meet people. Let's say, ayan na, parang you're at the point in your life na ready ka na magka-relationship, naghahanap ka talaga. Parang yung mismong act of finding a date, it's really difficult for a lot of people. So,
Paano ba?
Paano ba?
Oo nga.
Paano?
Oo.
Ay, ikaw ba, have you had those, ano ba, difficulties, ganyan?
In dating.
Oo.
Of course. I think, we could say naman, there would be no master in dating. Like, wala talagang pinakamagaling mag-date. Like, no matter how many boyfriends you had, girlfriends you had, you can't tell na, oh, I'm so good at dating. So, I would say na, there are people, most people usually, they have difficulties in dating. And that's why we have Never Strangers. So Never Strangers comes from the concept that after university, it's hard to meet people organically anymore.
Yes.
And it's emphasis on like, if nasa university ka pa, kasalanan naman ako ba't wala kang boyfriend ng college years mo. Pero it's hard to date, it's hard to meet people after university. And the people you know, like the people na bago lang sa life mo would be like your coworkers. And yeah, it's really hard to meet people talaga. That's why with Never Strangers, we create a space for conversations, for connections, and for people to become from strangers to never strangers.
Oh, ang reassuring ha na yung sabi mo na no one's a master at dating because I think a lot of people are pressured to perform in a date. Na
Totoo, diba?
True.
Diba? Na
Kasi
feeling
best foot
nila.
forward ka dapat, diba?
So di mo alam ano yung social mores na kailangan sundin kapag nasa date ka o kaya dapat ba anong suot, anong mga dapat sundin,
True.
ganyan. So
Oo.
I think a lot of people have that mindset na kailangan mag-perform. So it's nice to know na wala naman palang best date or better dater, ano ba tawag? Mga ganon, di ba? Ang galing, ang galing. Ikaw, Besh, nag-interview din kita.
Sige, ano?
Oo. Parang saan ka nahihirapan sa pakikipag-date? Or pag-meet ng new people?
Kasi ngayon, parang so far, parang karamihan ng dates ko ay nakarelay ako sa dating apps. Kasi parang, sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin yung organic encounters na yan. Kasi parang upo lang ako sa coffee shop, gano'n. Maghihintay ako ng mag-approach. Kasi di ba maraming mga...
Hindi ba ganon?
Parang
Sabi sa TikTok, pero
Diba, parang sabi mo,
Talaga?
may mga may resibo, tapos mag-iiwan ng number sa
Alam-
table.
alam
Parang
mo
hindi naman nangyayari yun eh.
Yung pangarap ko, yung nasa bookstore ako, tapos pipili ako ng book, tapos biglang, sige,
yung may
bibili na niya.
kukuha ng book sa taas. Sabi niya,
Oo.
excuse me.
Oo, tapos, I want that book, I'll get it for you.
Yes.
Ganon.
Tapos after magigising ka na, gano'n.
Ayun lang.
True. Diba? Yun yung mga ini-imagine kasi natin.
Pero
diba?
meron ka bang kilala na merong ganong organic encounters na meet cute tapos kasal na ganon with 2 kids? With 2 kids.
Isang girl, isang boy.
May meet cute ako dati, pero walang nangyari.
Ah.
Ay, wow, talaga ngayon ko kunento sa'yo.
Mamaya, kwento natin yan.
Pero totoo din yung sabi nyo na after university, parang ang hirap ng
Totoo.
magka-love life.
Totoo.
Kasi marami namang, at least sa mga doctors, usually na-meet nila in med school, kaya na-meet nila college pa, o kaya naging close sila
Yeah.
while they're
Kaya
in the
kaya sa atin,
hospital.
pag sinasabi nila na gumraduate ka ng med school na walang jowa, parang mahirap na.
Pero
ganun
maraming gumagraduate
Pero may mga
na.
residency naman, may mga may mga co-workers din, pero parang med school na yun dapat naghahanap ka or college, 'di ba?
So ikaw, Kay, how did you branch out or how did you try dating? Parang
Oo.
dating app ba? Did you
Oo
ask
nga.
friends to set you up? Blind dates?
For dating,
ganyan?
like how I get dates.
Yeah.
Usually, I mean, there are a lot of people talaga on dating apps, and there's so much shame for people on dating apps. Pero
Talaga?
I tend to disagree.
May ganong
na-
stigma eh.
Oo, na parang,
Uy, nakita ko ito sa dating
yun nga
app.
eh. Like,
ba't
sabi
nandun
mo,
ka
si
din?
screenshot, si screenshot mo ba? Tapos sabi, uy, nakita ko si ano. Pero naman, ba't nandito ka din sa ano?
Oo,
sa Bumble.
may ganon.
Oo, there's a stigma like when you're in dating apps. Pero, the way I see it, I talk to some of the guests often about this na parang if you're on dating apps, there's no shame about going on dating apps kasi everybody's there for the same purpose. But yeah, not exactly the same purpose. The same purpose na gusto nila magka girlfriend or boyfriend, but in the sense na some of them talaga, there are different purposes like hookups, the culture, you know. But yeah, with Never Strangers kasi, I mean, siguro ako like for dates recently, kasi sabihin nila, may dinedate ako sa ano. Wala naman. Wala akong dinedate sa mixers namin. Pero recently, the dates I go on are like friends of a friend.
Friends of friends. So, ano yun? Alam mo nang may intention to set you up? May ganun ba? Or hindi?
Intention to set you up. To be fair, kasi hindi ko sila kilala pa. So, may tension na parang, this blind date. Pero hindi naman siya blind date, pero like, isa-send mo. So, what happens today, na parang Gen Z-wise, like, okay, people know you're single. And I often tell my friends about this na I have a lot of single friends. I know a lot of single people through Never Strangers. And I try to reto them as much as possible. I mean, for the benefit of everybody. So, what we usually do, so we ask for a profile. So, let's say, si JB.
Ba't di mo ginagawa yun sa akin?
So, okay, irereto kita, JB.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna send your Instagram to my friend and then I'm gonna send my friend's Instagram to you.
Okay.
So, you'll see,
Matchmaker.
sa tingin mo, cute ba siya?
So, parang ikaw yung naging dating app. Parang ganon.
Parang,
Mano-mano.
I would say.
Mano-manong dating app.
Hindi, parang
Mano-mano.
siya yung dating app. Sinend yung, ganon. Mano-mano.
Mano-mano na lang.
Okay. Tapos, kapag, okay,
They would go on dates. I would go on dates. Pero, I'm single, by the way. So, recently kasi I haven't been going much on dates kasi I've been focusing a lot on the mixers that we have been doing. But usually that's how it goes for
Okay.
people who are not on dating apps. So I think one essence na parang organic encounters, like you mentioned, like how do you get on dates if one, you're not on dating apps, one, you don't go out of your house, and then you don't ask your friends to reto you. So paano?
So, ang bottom line, you have to put yourself out
meron
there, di
naman
ba?
talaga na parang hindi talaga pwedeng umasa na lang tayo na...
Unless, hindi ka pwede umasa sa kagandahan mo lang.
Oo,
Nalalapitan ka.
Yeah, hi, I notice you're alone. Ay!
Parang
I notice
creepy.
you're alone.
Well, depende kung pogi. Depende ba na kung pogi?
Grabe ka.
Kung pogi pa. Yes, I'm alone.
Totoo yan. Kailangan talaga mag-set ka ng... I mean, it's a big thing to put your best foot forward, na introduce mo yung sarili mo, ganyan. Yung isa may friend ako, sabi niya, ang sobrang nasi-stress siya about dating ay, ito na naman, introduce ko na naman yung sarili ko, childhood ko, ganyan.
Favorite colors sabihin ko na naman. Magpaka-vulnerable na naman ako.
Tapos biglang wala
Diba?
naman, ganyan.
You have to see the goodness like into introducing yourself. Na parang
Ganda.
kasi the way you introduce yourself, parang it's not exactly na you sell yourself, pero you have to believe in yourself na you're this kind of person na you could introduce yourself in a great way. I think you mentioned kanina like when people go on dates, like they perform a lot. Like if you overperform, that's when the bad dates happen kasi it's more pretentious. So yeah, for people who went to our mixers, now when they go to their first dates rather, parang it feels like it's already their second date kasi na-break
na-meet
na
niya
yung
na eh.
ice eh. So, ayun, in that sense na it's chiller. Like, if you approach a date in a manner na you don't overperform, that's gonna be a good date.
Tsaka if you feel like you have to be someone else, ganon. I think kasi na, feeling kasi natin lahat may evaluation form kapag dinedate, di ba? So, parang feeling natin, i-judge tayo. But actually, kung date talaga na out for something romantic eventually, parang isipin mo dapat, it's for you eh. It's also for you. So, dapat, parang, dapat maging comfortable tayo na pwedeng hindi to mag-work out. And pag hindi siya nag-work
may
out,
openness na ganun.
that's okay. Kasi,
True.
may nagsabi sa akin, Gen Z. Parang,
Z,
sabi
yeah.
nung mga pamangkin.
Pamangkin.
Sabi nila, ang bagong fear na daw is not to be alone. It's
But
to
to be-
end up with the wrong person.
Tama.
maganda.
Kailangan nasa tamang tao ka
Oh,
talaga.
Tsaka meron ding may perspective din na ngayon, lalo na tayo mga trentahin, ganyan, no? Na parang, hindi na siya dapat about performing on a date. It should be more about, okay, I'm looking for a partner. Okay ba to? Kung hindi, edi hindi.
Feeling ko gano'n kasi, gano'n na kasi ang perspective pag trentahin. Mas
Yeah.
ano ka na, goal-oriented. Oo.
Which is not bad.
Yeah,
Oo,
tama.
nothing bad
Kailangan.
about it.
Kasi parang wala ka ding pressure ng parang kunyari may makita ka na, okay, mukhang hindi kami mag-work, okay, wag na. Gusto ko nga yung mga very mature mag-break off nung dating na parang, okay, this isn't working, I hope you have a good life, ganyan. No? Babay na. Hindi kasi gino-ghost.
Oo.
What do you guys think about
Trauma.
ghosting? Ay, binalik!
Sensitive topic!
Take the wheel. Take the wheel.
Take the wheel, Jesus.
Ghosting? Ano talaga? Hindi
He's been
talaga dapat
ghosted many
ginagawa
For
yan.
for mga trentahin, like, how do you feel about ghosting?
Immature yun. Kung
Diba?
nag-ghost ka, oo.
He's been ghosted kasi many times.
Oo. Usually taga-UST.
Uy, no dropping.
Ay, hindi! Dadrop ko yun! Ika-caption ko pa. Gusto mo?
So, totoo nga, mga taga-USD.
Diba?
Gusto mo ba i-guess natin? Ay!
UST Med
Pero
School.
dalawa na. UST Med pareho. Dalawa sila.
Sorry. Ay, mag-sorry daw kayo kay JB.
Hindi ko kailangan ng sorry. Pero dapat hindi. Kasi dapat ma-express mo na ayaw mo na. Parang clear din dun sa tao at alam niya din na hindi na siya aasa or wala ng anything. Kasi ang hirap kaya nung maiwan tapos hindi mo alam kung bakit.
Mga Immortal, listen to the Underpaid Podcast with me, Stanley Chi, wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagchichismisan lang tayo or nagkukwentuhan. Listen for free on Spotify, Apple Podcast, or kung saan ka man nakikinig ng podcast. Kita-kits!
Tapos yung ghosting, pwede siya in many ways na whether you met through the dating app or through encounters like Never Strangers, ganyan.
Oo.
Parang pwedeng bigla na lang siyang mawala, no? Ganon.
Oo. So, dapat hindi. Lalo na trentahin na eh.
Oo nga, parang we should be clear with what we want.
For Gen Zs naman, it depends on the level of like how you guys are already engrossed with each other. Na parang, kunwari, let's say, you had your first date. Siguro at that level, kaya pa yung ghosting level. Kaya mo pa tanggapin ginost mo ko. Okay,
so yun,
okay.
acceptable
Pero paano
yun.
kung magkausap na kayo ng 3 months at saka kayo ng first date?
Ayun!
And if parang ano na yun, iba na yun,
Ay,
be.
masyadong matagal yun.
Oo.
1 month. 1 month nag-usap tapos
Bes,
tsaka nag-first date.
Ba't ang tagal?
Ay, ilan ba
Ay,
dapat?
pero sige, okay. Ibigay natin sa mga people na mga slow burn.
Oo, mga ganun. 1 month tapos tsaka nag-first date tapos ginost.
Tapos ginost. Parang, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya.
Dapat medyo may closure.
So ano yung okay lang i-ghost?
2
May
weeks,
ganun ba?
2 weeks usap
Siguro
date.
2 weeks. Mga weeks lang na Pero like
okay.
siguro pag hindi pa malalim yung relationship nyo na parang...
Or yung pinag-usapan nyo, hindi pala.
Ako kasi meron akong Bumble match na nag-first date lang kami tapos nasa Instagram mutuals kami. Ako yung nag-aya nung first date. Tapos dahil
Nag-DM ka, nag-reach out ka.
Oo,
Nasa Bumble.
sa Bumble, nag-aya ako ng
Oo.
first date. So nag-date kami, tapos hindi na nasundan. Pero nabibigyan ko yung stories niya, nag-like siya. Hindi ko siya ginost technically, pero wala na kasi nag-aya nung second date. So parang, yun nga, hindi nga
Okay
siya
lang
ghost.
yan.
Pero parang, technically, wala kaming closure na pero parang hindi naman na kailangan.
Message
Parang
natin
gets na
ngayon.
yun.
Pero feeling ko yung ganun, open pa yun eh.
Well,
Pwede pa yun
Pwede
i-rekindle eh.
Pwedeng
Kasi if like
balikan.
nagla-like pa siya ng stories mo.
Ayaw mo na? Ay.
Hindi na, okay na yun.
So, to review, ang mga nabanggit na natin, dating apps, ganyan.
Oo, friend
May
of a
mga
friend.
friend of a friend, mga mixers, ganyan. Paano pa ba? Yun nga, yung mga lalapitan ka lang bigla, ganyan.
Pag kasi like organic encounters, let's say, it's actually very difficult. Like, unlike TikTok, what TikTok says na parang you leave a receipt with your
Oo.
number.
Ay, ganun level ba?
Masyadong kwentong maganda
my
yun
God.
eh.
Oo, pero parang, kung iisipin mo, if you're gonna put yourself out there, I mean, like, it happens to you. Ano ba yung feel mo if like, I mean, not to judge like the people who does that. I mean, good for you na parang you reach
Minahanap
out to
ka.
people.
Oo, at
It happens
may
to some.
courage. Oo.
I mean, good for them. Pero like, if it's gonna happen to me, if like someone gives a receipt, it will be nice. I would appreciate it. But I don't think I would have the courage to do that. But there would be opportunities na you would want it to happen. Kunwari, uupo ka diba, kunwari, coffee shop, uupo ka doon ka sa malaking sa malaking table.
Pwede, no?
Pwede.
Sa malaking table.
Oo
Sabi,
nga.
tapos gusto mo may lalapit. Sabi, excuse me.
Is the seat taken?
Yes, for you.
Come, ganyan.
Ganon.
Are you waiting for someone? No, I'm waiting for you. Ay,
Pero organic encounters, it only happens for places which encourages you to connect or to talk.
Oo.
so coffee shops, ganon? Hindi nga
Coffee shops could happen.
Oo.
I mean, to be fair, one time I was in a coffee shop, Spotted Pig. I love
Uy,
Spotted
masarap
Pig.
doon.
Masarap na
Kakadate ko lang
sea
doon.
salt
Oy,
latte nila.
Kakadate ko lang doon.
Ayun, I
Masarap
love
pati
sea salt,
drinks.
pero- Totoo, sea salt latte aside from okay, Spotted Pig. So, I usually sit sa alfresco kasi I watch people parallel park.
Oo, makita mo yun.
Oo. Napanood ko sila, sabi ko, near-rate ko pa sila minsan, 10/10. Ganon. Tapos, doon ako nakaupo sa alfresco area. Pero at that time, may na-meet ako na friend. I got a friend. Like, that was Kev and that was Jam. Na parang I met them in the coffee shop. Na parang we were talking about dogs and all that. So, ayun. It's actually, I mean, empowering to meet people out in the wild. But you have to put yourself in places that people encourages you to talk. Do you think like coming to Starbucks in particular, like everything's fast-paced. Tapos yung nasa harap mo order, kakausapin mo ba yun?
Hindi.
Yeah,
Sabi mo,
oo nga.
matagal ka pa ba order?
So feeling ko, mga like bouldering, ganon. Yung mga may activities
Yeah.
na parang kailangan mo makipag-interact in a way. Wait, parang ginagamit mo ba to or something?
Actually, para isa ring way, kung hindi ka nga comfortable with dating apps or actually going to mixers, another way na sinasabi nila, I go to activities with common
Community
interests.
events.
Yeah, yeah.
Community events.
Running, mga
Ayala Car-Free
journaling.
Sundays.
Oo.
Very specific.
Oo, mga ganyan. Yung mga, kasi ano na siya, may pag-uusapan na kayo eh. Sure na kayo na, okay, apparently, we're both interested
Join
in this,
a
ganyan.
class, no?
A class or a workshop
Yeah.
or
Oo.
a weekend. Kasi ang dami na nun ngayon.
Actually,
yeah.
no?
And even if it
Book
doesn't...
clubs.
Yes, please.
Ay, di ba may success story sa book club?
Oh my God. Kwento
Ayan,
ko lang.
oo.
Meron kaming book club. Silent book club Manila. Hello. Ay, so, nag-meet sila sa book club. Tapos sila na ngayon.
Oo. Di ba?
For a long
Mga
time
active.
na.
Kahit reading lang yun. Kahit di naman kayo sabay
Oo,
nagbabasa.
hindi. As in, wala, ang galing. Tapos, hanggang ngayon, sila pa din. So, parang sila yung success. Sila yung elevator pitch namin for our book club. No, yung may nagka-jowa dito, ganyan. Oh. So, it is possible. Pero,
Yes.
I understand na hindi naman siya tipong guarantee na pag pumunta ka dito, may mangyayari. But at least you get friends, new experiences, ganyan.
So, ito na nga, yung sa Never Strangers.
Yan, I like to know
ito yung
more.
organized encounter.
Organized
in a way,
encounter,
diba?
yeah.
Tell us more about it.
Oo, anong ginagawa?
I've never been to one.
So, Never Strangers, we connect people. Ay, ang basic. Pero yeah, Never Strangers is a social mixer which curated with science as well, with relationship science. So what happens kasi is we organize mixers. So usually we have 5 editions. We have dating edition 20s to 30s, dating edition 30s to 40s, coffee edition, LGBT edition, friends edition. But this year 2026 we're expanding, I would say. Pero we're doing more community events as well. Na parang outside all these mixers, you would want more community events as well. Kasi we would want to build a community. Kasi for the past year, we met a lot of people with Never Strangers. And it's actually really amazing na you get to see the same people every week. Not exactly every week, but like every month. There's a guarantee na you're gonna see them every month. And then you become good friends with them. Pero outside the mixers, parang we would want to do something that could create a community. So we're doing more for 2026. So one, we're doing like a summer retreat for singles. And then
It's giving singles inferno.
yeah, singles inferno. Mainit kasi sa Pilipinas. And then we're gonna do like Galentine's as well, hopefully for
love
Feb.
it.
And then also for Women's Month, we're gonna do more all-female events. And then what else? We're gonna host more parties as well. We throw the sickest party in Manila. Ay! Ganon!
Yan
But
yung
yeah.
attest to it? Oh, yes. Anong review?
Yes,
Review.
yes.
Hindi kasi dun nga, parang talagang, syempre as a competitive, yung sa human bingo, dahil pala tatagalan mo yung pakikipag-usap. Ako yung goal ko, puno. Hindi, pero nung second time na sumali ako, tinagalan ko na yung pakikipag-usap.
Para magka-idea yung mga people na
What usually
interested.
happens.
What happens? So,
Or paano muna ba mag-sign up?
Okay, so upon signing up, type in this is neverstrangers.com. So that's our website. So people who attend our events are for invite basis only. In the sense, not everybody could go kasi they go through a vetting system that we only accept people who goes with the same intention. So everybody who attends the party has the same intention of meeting people. And yeah, so just to make sure na it's safe for everybody, it's a safe space for everybody. So from there, from the website, you sign up and then you go through the vetting process. And then if you get approved from the vetting process, there are a lot of people who doesn't get approved in the vetting process. We really make sure.
Ano nilalagay?
Sometimes, kasi we have one question. So, why do you want to attend our party? Some say, sabi, kasi maganda ako, gano'n. Ay, di ikaw na!
Ay, kwento maganda. Hindi ka kasama.
Ganon. Pero,
Para sa'yo.
ayun. So, after that, so, if you get approved with the vetting process, then you sign up for one of our mixers. So in our mixers, what happens kasi is upon registration, you scan a QR code. So that links you to the algorithm matching. So that's a questionnaire about your beliefs, your type, your personality. And then at the end of the event, we match you with the 3 most compatible people based on the questionnaire you just answered. But throughout the program, we also go through icebreakers, we curated activities for Never Strangers, and we also have like a signature activity, which is the human bingo, kung saan nanalo si JB. Na he was very competitive about it.
Ganyan talaga
Sabi ko dun sa event, okay guys, the goal here is to meet as much people as you can.
So ikaw, paano ka na pagkwentuhan? Ikaw?
Ikaw, meron ka bang may kapatid, Gemini ka ba? Okay, yes. Next.
The human bingo kasi, they have
question?
prompts.
No follow-up.
We have prompts on like, if you fit this prompt, you put on a sticker on it. And then, parang the goal here is to connect people like around the entire venue. Like, it's an opportunity for you to meet everybody, not just the people on your table. Kasi, wala lang. Kasi a lot of times na we have a lot of success stories. Oftentimes, hindi lang yung some of their table mates, they get matched together. And some of them, they end up together. True. And then sometimes I receive messages na, hi Kay, I just want to say I love Never Strangers. I met my boyfriend, ganon. It was like, sana all. Pero ayun.
That's so nice. As in, ngayon, married na sila, ganyan.
To be fair, 1 year pa lang.
Sorry.
Kalmahan mo naman. 1 year pa lang sila.
Pero I do expect 5 years from now, I'd be invited to a lot of weddings.
That's so nice.
I have a friend, let's name him, ano magandang...
Sasha,
okay.
and Sabrina. Ay, hindi,
Okay.
dapat guy. Basta a girl and a guy. I'm friends with the guy, so I invited him to one of
Sasha
our...
and Kevin.
Yeah, Sasha and Kevin. So I
Okay.
invited Kevin. Kevin was a friend of mine. And then Kevin, I invited him to attend the Friends edition.
Okay.
And then he met his current girlfriend, now girlfriend, soon married. Soon married.
Let's go, Sasha.
Let's go, Sasha. So, ayun. They met in the Friends Mixer naman.
Okay.
So, like I did mention, we have 5 editions. So, the Friends Mixer naman it's lesser pressure. Well, there will be people who are single, there will be people who are taken. But the goal there is to meet
Make
people.
friends.
Yeah, make friends. So, yeah, that's how it goes.
Parang I want to join, Besh. Oo.
Sa friends edition.
Oo naman. Ano ba?
Ay, sorry.
Siyempre.
Linawin mo kasi.
Oo, sa friend. Sama ka. Pero friends na tayo. Ay.
Mama, ikaw na naman yung makamatch ko. Ano ba to?
Funny enough, kasi there are people who go na friends edition, tapos they get matched. Sabi ko, kasi you guys
Friends
are
talaga kayo
compatible.
eh.
Kasi
oo
the
nga,
algorithm
no.
says so.
Dapat pala hindi.
In fairness sa algorithm nila, ang daming tanong. Tapos parang napapaisip din talaga ako.
Paano nyo nagagawa yung questions? Ganyan.
It's a 5-minute questionnaire. So, the questions kasi, it's crafted. Ano bang pagka-craft namin?
Mga beliefs, values mo in
beliefs,
life,
values.
how you agree to the statements, mga ganun siya eh.
What's your culture, ganon? Parang, are you the type of person like in or out kind of dates? Ganon. Like very, it's a 5-minute question. It's very long. Like people would need to sit down to finish the
I want to
questionnaire.
do it. Kasi gusto ko talaga.
Rapid rounds na lang.
And one more thing, what I love about Never Strangers, since I mentioned about community building, we meet a lot of people from different fields. Like, in the same day, you're gonna meet a pilot, a doctor, a lawyer, a business owner, iba-iba, like a studio owner. Like talaga, like it varies. And at the same time, na parang, it's just really fun to meet people. One thing, paulit-ulit siya, nawawala. Pero yeah, one thing that a friend mentioned, not exactly a friend, but I met him in Never Strangers. It's really nice to meet people outside your field.
Yeah.
True,
Because
no?
we have
Lalo na
this
sa atin.
Tsaka we have this idea na, dahil sa work ko, ang mga meet ko na lang likely ay doctor din,
Oo.
or something adjacent to what I do. Pero kasi, it's so refreshing to talk to people outside of your field kasi that's so cool. And I love learning about things. Kunwari, oh, you're a pilot. Like, talk me through anong ginagawa
Diba?
mo.
And the best way to learn about something is to learn it through people.
Totoo. I'm the kind pa naman na gusto ko yung kinikwento sa akin. Kaya I love podcast, ganyan. Parang mas nagme-make sense sa akin kapag chika siya sa akin. Na parang, uy, girl, ganito. Parang,
Diba?
ganyan. Saya! Hala, I want to join. Ang galing.
Sige, mamaya mag-sign up ka na.
Oo. For me, itong episode na to. Yes. Pero, sige, para sa aming audience
Yes.
na invite natin sila. Kasi if you're someone who's looking to meet new people, whether it's for a date or for friends, or di nyo alam paano mag-start and parang medyo nahihiya kayo, take it away. How do they meet people?
Okay, one note for you guys. Put yourselves out there. So, yeah, we do have events.
Ito na, assisted na to put yourself out there.
Yeah, put yourself out there and put yourselves in places which it encourages interaction and connection, which is Never Strangers, by the way. So yeah, we have events February, March. We do have events every month. So we run each edition every month. So we're gonna have, since this will be after Valentine's, but we share ko lang. So we do have 30s dating edition 30s to 40s, February 7. 20s to 30s, February 14. And Feb 21, we're gonna have the coffee edition. Ano ba?
Yung coffee edition ay friends. Yun yung friends.
Dating edition as well.
Ah,
Kasi
dating din.
that's when we realized na not all people
Sa trend tayo.
drink.
Parang,
Oo.
Me too. I don't drink.
okay. Akala ko puyat na.
So the first time we had the coffee edition, ibang-iba yung tao from the from the
I want
party
also.
edition. Ayun.
Sige, a-attend ako. Makikita mo ako
Yes,
eventually.
go ahead.
Oh my God. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you, Kay.
wisdom. As in, alam mo, ang natutuwa ako ay parang ang daming pwedeng gawin pero kailangan lang natin ng guidance kung paano. Kasi, as in, kailangan din may effort ka to put yourself out there, introduce yourself. Hindi talaga siya nangyayari na may bababa lang
Kakapanood
dyan.
kasi natin yung mga mga Hallmark film.
Tsaka it's, alam mo, kahit hindi siya nagiging success story, feeling ko just by meeting people or by...
To be fair naman,
Oo, parang
may natututuran ka din naman sa buhay ng ibang tao.
Tsaka it encourages you
At
to...
saka parang mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo.
Yan.
Know what you want and what you don't.
Oo.
Diba?
And that's a good feeling to have na kung hindi man mag-workout, at least you found out this about yourself. Diba? Ganda.
Diba?
I love
If you
it.
wouldn't date someone so unhygienic, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. Ayoko pala sa
Parang alam ko naman.
Ay,
In fairness sa'yo ha, dinate mo siya.
Hindi mo siya maaamoy sauna sa Instagram.
Sa bagay.
my
Oo.
God. Ano talaga, we learn a lot by our interactions with other people.
True, that's true.
So, sali tayo sa Never Strange.
Yes,
I love
agree.
it. So, thank you, Kay,
Thank
for
you,
being
Kay.
here. May gusto ka ba batiin? Or panawag?
Oo, yung co-organizer mo. Wow, nilaglag yung co-organizer.
Organizer mode. So hey guys, so please join us in our upcoming mixers. And I don't feel like I wasn't able to explain much of Never Strangers. So but if you do try to attend, you're gonna know how amazing the party is and like how amazing meeting people. So one more thing.
Go.
If you are social enough na to bring yourself out there, you would meet people who are also social enough na you guys would click.
I think it attracts the same kind of energy.
True.
Diba? Kasi feeling ko naman yung mga nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob pumunta doon, nasa mindset na sila na, okay, I want to meet new people
Yep.
and I want to have interactions, ganyan. So, yun yung mga gusto ko, the energy that these kinds of events attract.
And if introverts, I mean, like, syempre, most of the people go there are extroverts. But if you're an introvert and if you try to go, like, put yourselves out there, it really works magically. Ganun.
I think, alam mo, I'm a believer na if you're the type who really wants a relationship, there's someone, I don't call it, there's someone who's going to match your freak.
True. Somebody gonna. Yes.
So, thank you rin sa mga nakinig sa episode na to. If you like this episode, please follow Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Spotify and YouTube. We drop new episodes every Monday, 5 p.m.
Ang galing. Ako may kode ko. Kasi
Ay,
nakalimutan
sorry.
ko na para mag-outro. You can
Sorry.
also follow us on social media for more chika and updates. We're Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Facebook and YouTube. At Callroom Podcast on Instagram, X, Threads. Ano pa ba? Yun na. TikTok. Okay.
Yeah. You can also join our Discord community, Callroom Tambayan. It's our official community server where you can join us at iba pang mga ka-callroom.
So each week, although not each week, meron kami episode question that we release every Friday 12 p.m. Sagot kasi kayo. Pinilit. Oh, go.
At kung meron kayong questions, concerns, and chief complaints, open pa rin ang kwento mo sa Callroom. It's a Google form where you can submit your questions to us. Kung mapili yung kwento mo, pwede natin sagutin in one of our future episodes here on Kwentong Callroom Podcast. To submit, just find the link on our social media pages.
And if you want to reach us via email, you can reach us at kwentongcallroom@gmail.com.
Okay, you might want to share your socials.
Ay, ako.
Ay, hindi, yung nervous trainer.
Okay.
Saan ka makikita?
Pwede na rin ako i-follow.
Oh, sige, pwede din. Go.
So guys, if you wanna follow me,
Dora Yard.
okay, so yeah, please follow us on. If you find Never Strangers interesting, please follow us on Instagram at this is never
Ala siya!
But yeah, basta masisearch nyo yun.
Wala
Never
lang.
Strangers. It's Never Strangers. And
Lalabas
then-
yan sa algorithm niya.
Yes, we have like basta yung color red na logo, and then on TikTok as well at neverstrangers_ph, and my personal Instagram at K Mendoza. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, thank you again.
Thank you, Kay.
Join us for the outro. With that, I'm Ella.
And I'm JB.
And I'm Kay.
And this,
And this
has been
Kwentong
Kwentong Callroom.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.